welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell, and then you will never miss any of my wig related videos. Today I'm bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. You can go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code for 30% off. Also, if you ever have any questions about what wigs are in stock or what colors are in stock, etc., you can email support@pinkypromise.com and have your questions answered there. So I'm so excited to show you this super cute style that I am in love with. This is Quinn. This is one of the new Jon Renau styles for 2021 that have just come out this fall. And the color on this one is FS6 3027 Toffee Truffle. So adorable style. Like I said, I'm loving her. She's super fun. She's super cute. And I can't wait to tell you more about her in just a moment. Talking about cutie cute Quinn. Just seriously, I think she's so cute. All right, so Quinn is a cute little short, you know, curly-ish, wavy. I mean, I don't know how to describe the level of curl. I mean, like over here, it's more of a wave, and then there's places where, you know, it's just like a very loose spiral, I guess, or barrel curl that just gives her great movement. She's super cute. I love the way she swoops around the face. You know, she's just adorable. I love her. What can I say? So anyway, I will do a 360 and show you her on all sides, and then we'll talk about her measurements and all that kind of stuff. So here she is from the front. She does have a long bang, so I think that you could, you know, cut in a bang. This is regular synthetic fiber, not heat friendly. So you'd have to use some steam, you know, probably to get those bangs to lay right, but I do think that's a possibility. So here's my left. She's cute. The back. I love the back. Now see, in the back, I feel like she has more of a curl. This is my right side. And back to the front. I just love how she's just, you know, shake and go, cute, modern, lots of body, you know, oh, she's just adorable. Okay, so measurement wise, she is 7.75 inches here on this bang. She is 9 inches from the crown. She has 5.75 inch sides, and her nape back here is 4.75 inches. So really, really nice length, you know, hits above the shoulders on me. So, you know, for a synthetic piece, that's nice. You're not going to get friction, you know, from clothing and things like that. So she should last, you know, really nice. So she's just adorable. Weight wise, she's only 3 ounces. She's super lightweight. Okay, her cap construction is she has a smart lace front, which is really nice. The knotting looks really nice on this color. You know, the lighter color is towards the front and the knots are tiny. Looks really, really good. And then she has a mono part. It doesn't go all the way back to the crown, but it's, you know, it's long enough. It looks good. I'll show you that on the inside of the cap. But the way it, you know, the way the hair lays and everything, it looks like it goes all the way back to the crown. So that's nice. Ear tabs are nice. This is an average size cap and it's fitting my head very nicely. But I'll show you when I take it off, it has great stretch, you know, so it would definitely be, I think for my petite friends, it's gonna fit you nicely. I didn't even have to bring in the adjusters or, you know, very much or anything. But it does have stretch, you know, to accommodate average and above average. So really, really cute. I think this style is gonna look cute for a lot of different face shapes, and, you know, it's gonna work for a lot of head sizes. So super cute. All right, I will pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Is the inside of Quinn's cap. So this is that part I'm talking about. So if it went all the way back to the crown, it would go to here, but it goes back, you know, plenty far. So, but so nice, and it's, you know, wide. So nice, you know, left lace mono there. And then she's got a nice lace front that goes from the top of the ear tab to the top of the ear tab. This is the Jon Renau Smart Lace. So this lace I feel like holds up really well. She's got nice soft felt ear tabs with a good sized piece of metal. Open wefted cap with a lot of stretch. So this is what I'm saying. I think this will accommodate a lot of different head sizes. She has an extended nape. She has Velcro adjusters. Let me show you her part here. Looks really good. There's that lace front. Very nice. All right, I'll show you one more thing about this lace front. So you can see that lace there. You know, they leave a little extra lace so that if you want to trim that down, you can. And I think that's something that I would probably do, is just trim that back right to the hairline and customize my hairline a little bit. I think that would look really nice. Really nice. Okay, so let's talk about this beautiful color. This is Toffee Truffle FS6 3027. Such a pretty, pretty color. So they describe Toffee Truffle as a medium warm brown with medium light auburn syrup highlights. So this is one of their syrup colors. So the highlights are just a little bit bolder, but they're not, you know, super chunky or anything. I think they're, you know, done very nicely. They're very, very pretty. I like how you have, you know, the highlighting around the face here, and that's nice with the lace front. Gives those lighter, you know, puts the lighter hairs up there at the front. Such a pretty color. I've tried this color in the human hair, but I don't think I've ever tried it in the synthetic, so, and I love it. It is warm and beautiful color for fall. Great brunette. With my bright lights turned off, just so you can, you know, see, because with that auburn, I felt like those bright lights, it was making it a little shiny. The wig itself is not super shiny, even though it's just regular synthetic, but sometimes those bright lights, the light reflects off the lighter colors in the wig. So I just wanted to show it to you without the bright lights as well. All right, let's take it outside and we will look at this color in the natural light. So here is this Toffee Truffle out here in the natural light. She is so cute. There's the lace front, the part. I love all these colors. Okay, and here she is in more sun. I don't want to get her in too much sun. Then it'll just glare. All right, let's look at styling for Quinn. So she's low density. I think I mentioned, I'm not sure, that I'm not feeling permatease in this wig. If there's any at all, it's right where the hair attaches to the wefts, but it does not feel like it has a lot of permatease in it or anything. Low density. I really like the natural density of the piece. So she works great to tuck behind the ears. Works great with glasses, super easy. You put the glasses up on your head. I usually tuck the hair before I push it back, you know, with glasses, but just so you know. Okay, I've got on the leopard top. We got to go with the leopard headband, right? Super cute. She's adorable, and you could just like fluff her up behind that headband. That's so cute. Oh gosh, I love it. I love her waves. She's adorable. Can y'all tell I like this one? It's just a little bit obvious. Kind of gushing. Could just stick the headband in her. So you could style her off the face. Her lace front is so nice, so you could just, you know, bump her up here on the top. You could do some cute little, you know, little braids, little twists. Wear her back like that. That would be cute. I don't think she has the length for half up, half down. No, she does not. But you could put a little clip, you know, right behind the ear here on both sides, or just on one side, you know, something like that. And get her, you know, if you wanted to have her that appearance of like a half up, half down. So definitely not, of course, obviously with her length, she is not a ponytail or anything like that, but she's super cute. I just love her. I hope you can tell. I've had a lot of fun with her. So, and I'm so happy to be able to show her to you all. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all. There will be purchase information below this video, and don't forget to go to the website and get that code to save 30% off as well. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.